For entering equipment group, click on to master and select equipment group. Click add for adding the equipment group. Click edit for editing the equipment group. Select active status and update. For entering equipment subgroup, click on to master and select equipment subgroup. Click add for adding the equipment subgroup. Click edit for editing the equipment subgroup. Select active status and update. For entering equipment, click on to master and select equipment. Click add for adding the equipment. Enter the equipment name, equipment subgroup, make, serial number, equipment group, UOM, model, location, cost, contact person, supplier name, contact phone, company name, and click on to save. Click edit for editing the equipment and update. The overall specifications of Maintenance Management Master has been depicted successfully. Thank you.